Okay. Stand straight. Join your hands, everyone. No, Kaushik, just join your hand. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind. Beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I praised with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Rub your hand, put it in the face. Rub your hand, put it in the face. Rub your hand, put it in the face. Relax. Everyone just breathe in, breathe in. Everyone breathe in. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe in. Everyone breathe in, breathe out. How lovely you are doing. Breathe in, breathe out, huh? Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. What is the day today? Who will tell me? What is the day today?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. What color is that?
Yellow color.
Yellow color. Very nice. Very nice.
Yellow color.
Okay. And what is the day today? What is the day? Sorry. What is the month today? Today is 1st December 2021. Today is 1st December 2021. Okay, kids, tell me how many months we have? Should I tell you how many months we have? We have 12 months. How many months? 12 months. How many months? 12 months. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What is the month today? December. December is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. And today the date was 1st December. What is the day? What is the date?
Wednesday.
No date. Date. I am asking date. What is the date? 1st December. What is the date? 1st December. Wednesday is a day. 1st December 2021. Okay. Now everyone start for the warm up. Shall we start our warm up? Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up.
What's going on?
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Left side. Go back. Front. Jump. Jump. Roly poly. Right side. Left side. Down. Down, 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 down. Jump, 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 jump. Touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. Yes, touch your toes. Bend your knees and touch your toes. Clap. Stop. Very nice, lovely. Very nice, lovely. Everyone drink water. Okay, everyone remember that roly-poly rhymes? Who will remember that roly-poly rhymes?
Roly poly rhymes. Roly poly
Roly-poly, roly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly. Open, open, open. Roly-poly, roly. Close, close, close. Roly-poly, roly. Side, side, side. Roly-poly, roly. Front, front, front. Roly-poly, roly. Front, front, front. Roly-poly, roly. Smile, smile, smile. Roly-poly, roly. Sad, sad, sad. Show me a sad face. Roly-poly, roly. Slow, slow, slow. Roly-poly, roly. Roly-poly, roly. Big, big, big. Roly-poly, roly. Small, small, small. Yay! Super! Very good. Very good. Very nice. Everyone remember that the most we are together, the more we are together. Who will remember that this rhymes? Tell me, who will remember this rhymes? The more we are together, together, together. The more we are together, the happy we'll be. Am I right? Yes or no? The more we are together, together, together. The more we are together, together, the happier we'll be. Your friends are my friends, are my friends, are your friends. The more we are together, together, together. The more we are together, the happier we'll be. Another rhymes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go dab, dab, dab. Two dab, dab, dab. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go dab, dab, dab. Two little eyes go open wide. One little head goes side by side. One more time. One more time. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little hands to dab, 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 dab. Two little eyes go open wide. One little head goes side by side. Very nice. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. Today I will tell you the fourth letter of our alphabet. What is the fourth letter of our alphabet? What is that?
B.
B. What is the sound of B? The sound of B is da.
சொல்லு sound
Da.
of B எப்படி சொல்ற?
D for what, kids?
சொல்லு
D for dog.
சொல்லு
D for dolphin. D for duck. D for
என்ன சொல்லி தராங்கன்னு பார்க்கணும் அப்படி
doll. Okay. Who will remember the 5 little ducks? 5 little ducks. See, who came here to teach you?
बातें बोलना
What duck is saying to us? Quack, quack. Duck, duck. Quack, quack. Duck, duck. Okay. 5 little ducks went swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks come back. 4 little ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But no little ducks came back. Daddy ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Daddy ducks say quack, 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 quack. How magic! 5 little ducks is come back. Did you like this rhymes? Yes or no? Who will write this rhyme?
அப்படிதான் பேசணும் வெரி குட்
What the ducks is saying to us?
எப்படி சொல்றது சொல்லு நீ சொல்லு quack, quack.
What is the D for? D friend is what?
D
Duck.
friend.
What is the D friend?
Duck.
Duck, duck. What is the D sound?
Duh, duh, சொல்லு.
Duck, duck, duck. What is the sound of D?
சொல்லு duh, duh.
Duck, 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 duck.
அப்படியா ஒண்ணு சரி
Duck, duck, dog. Duck,
Dolphin சொல்லு.
Dolphin. What is this? Dolphin. Okay.
அழகா இருக்கு.
What is this?
என்னது?
Another one also. What is this, kid?
ఏంటిమా
Dice.
அதுக்கு தெரியாது.
What is this? Dice.
தெரியாது அது.
We play this. What do you have to play on this dice?
அது பேர் என்ன? Dice.
Are you playing with this? Are you playing the Ludo? Are you playing Ludo? No. Yes or no?
நீ விளையாடி இருக்கியா? விளையாண்டது இல்ல சொல்றேன். No. No.
This is dice. Dice. Duck.
சொல்லு.
Duck.
அது என்ன?
What is D? What is the friend of D? Dog. What is the friend of D?
Donkey. சத்தமா பேசு. Very good.
What letter is this, kid?
Doll. அங்க பாரு அங்க பாரு.
What letter is this, kid?
D. ஏய் அது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு.
சொல்லு என்னது?
D. சொல்லு.
What letter is this?
சொல்லுங்க பாத்து
அங்க பாரு.
D for
Dog. எது வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம். எது வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம். D for எது வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம்.
E for
சரி ஓகே அப்பா சொல்லு.
dog. D for dolphin. D for duck. How we write letter D? One standing line.
ஒன் எப்படி எழுதுனா? ஒரு லைன்.
One standing line.
One curve.
One curved line.
One
How
curve.
we write letter D?
சொல்லு. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
One standing line.
One curve.
One curved line.
One curve.
One standing line.
சொல்றாங்க பாரு.
One curved line.
அப்படி இதுதான் எழுதணும். இதுதான் எழுதணும்.
How we write letter D? One standing line and
One curve.
one curved line.
One curve. Very good. Super. அழகா சொல்லி சரி நான் மிஸ் கேட்ட சொல்லு.
I will tell you one story about the D. Okay?
ஸ்டோரி சொல்றாங்க. கதை கதை கேளு. மிஸ் சொல்ல போறாங்க. இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க. கவனிக்க புரியும்.
Did you know about one day Daddy D is taking her baby D to the beach. Want to go to the beach? To the beach. Daddy D took her baby D took her beach. The baby D saw a dolphin and ducks. Then what dolphin and duck says? Did you know, kids? Duh. What the dolphin and duck say? Duh. What both says? Duh. Duh. What this is?
ட சொல்லு
Da. Da.
ம். சரி எப்படினாலும் உட்காந்து
D for doll and D for dog. Start with D. 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 Da. Da. D for doll. Doll and dog. Start with D. Da. 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 Dice and duck. Dice and duck. Start with D. Da. 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 One standing line. One curved line. What D letter likes? D looks fine me. How does D looks fine to me?
சொல்லு ஒன் ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் நீ சொல்லு
One standing line, one curved line. Doll and dog, start with D. Doll and dog, start with D. Dice and duck, start with D. One standing line, one curved line, like letter D. Looks fine to me, like letter D. Looks fine me, like looks fine for me. Doll and duck, start with D. Doll and duck, start with D. Dice and duck, start with D. One standing line, one curved line, one standing line, one curved line, like letter D. Fine for me, fine for me. Did you like this letter D rhymes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
எஸ் சொல்லு
Okay, very nice.
அந்த டி
Kids, one day I told you about the community helper. What is that? One day I taught you now the community helpers. What community helper I taught you one day? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Doctor, nurse. I taught you about the doctor and nurse.
Yes.
Today also I want to tell you about the community helper. What is that? Did you know? Let me meet. Let me meet that one. That was a laundry man. Laundry man also helper. Kaushik mom is going mute. Yes. What is? Today I will let you know about the second community helper. What is that? A laundry man. Who is he? Laundry man. Laundry man also give us help to the community. Okay? Look, oh, look, here come the laundry man. Laundry man, laundry man. Oh, looks here who came the laundry man. Laundry man, laundry man. With the threads and cloth, clean and cloth. With a threads and clean the cloth. Oh, look, here comes a laundry man. Laundry man, laundry man. Oh, looks here the comes his laundry man. Laundry man. Oh, look, here comes the laundry man. With the press and clean and cloth. With the press and clean and cloth. Shall we meet the laundry man? You want to meet the laundry man?
பார்க்கணுமா then you want
Yes or no?
எஸ் சொல்லு எஸ் சொல்லு
Yes.
சொல்லு ஒன்ட்ட தான் கேக்குறாங்க லாண்ட்ரி மேன் ஒன் கேக்குறாங்க எஸ் அதான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லு இப்ப காமிப்பாங்க போட்டோ காமிப்பாங்க
Who is he?
அங்க பாரு போட்டோ காமிப்பாங்க
I will tell you, a laundry man. Who is he?
லாண்ட்ரி மேன் சொல்லு
Look, here comes the laundry man. A laundry man. A laundry man. Look, here comes the laundry man. The laundry man with the fresh clean, with the fresh and clean and cloth. With the fresh clean and the cloth. Today I will tell you about the laundryman story. Did you know, kids, about the laundryman story? What he is doing in her life? Did you know? Kids, did you know? One day laundryman came us to meet us in the school. Teacher said to us, "Come children, we'll meet a laundryman." Hi laundryman, how are you? Laundryman say, "Hi everyone, how are you everyone?" And kids say, "Hi laundryman." The kids asking to laundryman, "What did you do, laundryman?" The laundryman say, "I go to everybody's house and take all the dirty cloths and tie them in my bundle like this one." Did you see how the laundryman tie the bundle of the cloths? Did you see in this picture how the laundryman tie all the this bundle, tie them and bundle up like this one? Then kids see, laundryman take all the laundryman's going to all the houses, take the dirty cloths and tie them in the bundle. Then kids ask to the laundryman, "What do you do this cloth of bundle, laundryman?" "I wash all the cloths. I wash all the cloths with all the soaps and I wash all the dirty cloth with the soap and water. Then I dry it and I neatly fresh it and put them in my bundle again. Then next day I will return all the cloths of the bundle to next day I will return all the cloth of the bundle. I will return back to him. Then kids ask to laundryman, "Laundryman, how nice! How did you remember which cloth we have put in which bundle, laundryman?" The laundryman says, "All of my bundles are in different color. So I always remember that which cloth I have to put in which bundle." Then kids say, "Oh, wow, great. Thank you so much, laundryman. You coming here and telling us what do you do in your daily life." Did you like to meet a laundryman? Tell me what laundryman is doing.
cleaning clothes
What laundryman is doing?
cleaning clothes sound சொல்லு
Taking all the dirty cloth and wash them very properly. With whom the laundryman wash all the clothes? From what were the things laundryman is using wash the cloth?
water
Water and
soap
soap. Water and
இத வச்சு
soap. Then laundryman dry it and
அதுதான்
neatly
இங்கிலீஷ்ல
iron it
and soap
and put it in the bundle and
soap
return it back. the next day. What laundryman is doing? Who will tell me? Jasna.
Wash clothes.
போவாங்க
Jasna, tell me.
what I am to சொல்லு take clothes
Is washing. Is taking all the cloth.
taking all the clothes
Yes.
washing
And
the
tie
clothes
them in the bundle.
wash பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க hang them to dry அப்புறம் iron பண்ணுவாங்க சொல்லு
Iron them and
give them back
yes, very good, very nice. Now who will tell me? Kaushik. From whom laundryman is washing the cloth?
washing, ironing, and wearing.
Yes.
Clothes. Here, Sattavayade. Wash the clothes.
Tell me.
Washi, Nanpur. Wash the clothes. Iron the clothes. Clean.
What are you doing, Kaushik?
Ma'am, what are you doing
What are you
here?
doing, Kaushik?
Ma'am, notice my machine. Right.
Okay, everyone house has came a laundryman daily or once a week? In your house, laundryman is coming or not? Vishwan, Pirishwan? Yes or no? Pirishwan. Pirishwan, I'm asking you. Yes or no? No. So, when you see a laundryman, then what you have to say to laundryman? Thank you for giving us a help, the community. When the laundrymen come to your house, what do you have to say? Thank you, laundryman. Laundryman is giving us help, na? And what we have to reply him back? Thank you. Nishwar, what in which laundryman has to take all the cloths? In Nishwar. Now you reply me. How laundryman take all the cloths?
Wash the clothes properly.
Okay. P. Nishwar, now you have to tell me.
Okay, he folds the clothes and takes it in a big bundle. Chipra.
We will take all the cloths in the bundle. How will take his cloth?
Do this. We
In
put
the
all
bundle.
we put in bundle.
In the bundle. Tie all the cloths in the bundle. We will tie all the cloths in the bundle.
Sure. Miss Arvita.
Satvik, how laundryman remember all the cloths? Whom cloth is what cloth for which house? How the laundryman remember that? Because laundryman has a different bundles.
Different colors.
Yeah, culture not different color. What color? Different color. How many colors laundryman? Different colors they laundryman have.
Yes.
In different color, laundryman has tie all the clothes. Okay. Tell me what is the sound of D? Who will say me? Finish one. Can you please tell me the sound of D? What is the sound of D?
Da.
Da. Very good. Okay. Now, who will tell me the who? Jasna, what is the friend of D?
சொல்லு. D for Quick என்ன
E
சொல்லு?
for
D for
duck.
duck.
Okay.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
ஆமா.
Duck.
அப்புறம் D for என்ன குதிக்கும்? Dolphin.
Okay. Now, Kashik has to tell me another one.
Mama doesn't quack, quack, quack. Mama doesn't quack, quack.
Papa, wait.
Duck. Okay. Now, Sai Lakshmi. D for dolphin. Very nice. Lovely. P. Nishwant. D for
D for dog.
dog.
Dog. Say.
Very nice. D for dog. Okay. Satvik. D for
చెప్పండి డాల్ డాల్ చెప్పు
doll. Nishwant. Da. What da? D for dog. Very nice. Yes, Nishwant. What are you telling? Nishwant, tell me. Nishwant.
Dog.
Dog. What happened? Why you are so sad? Go in unmute and tell me what happened. Go in unmute and tell me what happened. What happened, Nana? Yes?
D for
Wow, very nice. Lovely. D for? What is this? D for? Dog.
Sure.
Okay. Now I will ask you some about the laundryman, okay? You just tell me what he is doing. Who is he? Who is he? Laundryman. Who is he? What he is doing? What he is doing? Washing the clothes with soap and water. Laundryman is washing her clothes, soap and water. Then he dry all the clothes. Then he iron it properly. Then he will arrange all the cloths in the bundle. Then he will return it back. Okay? Now I will ask you Finish one. Now you have to count all the. Now you have to count the finger 1 to 10. Show me. How many fingers we have?
1, 2. Do that.
Yes. Just count it and
One.
tell me.
6, 7. Do. 8. 1. Miss. I'm asking.
I'm asking only finish one, not everyone. Finish one. Count and tell me.
Count master. And make out master. What's the count master? Finger making make out master. You guys.
Okay, count how many finger I have in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many finger I have? Show me in your body 2 organs. What is the name of that? 2 organs name. Two organs name. Tell me 2 organs. What were the organs we have in 2? 2 eyes, 2 ear, 2 hand, 2 leg, and what? 2 eyes, 2 ear, 2 hand, 2 leg. Show me 1 organ.
Me come.
What are the ones?
One organ na? No, nose come.
Nose,
Nose
lip, head, forehead,
forehead, mouth.
chin, chest, stomach.
இதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணு தான்.
You have a homework today. You have a do activity of letter D. Draw letter D. This big D. Draw a big D and paste something inside the D. Like some balls. If you have some cotton balls. If you have a cotton balls, you can paste that one. If you have paste the paper or any material, you can paste on this letter D. This is an activity for you. Activity for everyone. Draw a big letter D and paste what material you have at your home. Okay? This is a homework for everyone. Then you have to take a picture and send it to me. Okay? Okay. Tell me, what is this? What is this, kid?
Dice.
Very good. What is this? D for?
Thanks.
E for?
Donkey.
Donkey.
Thanks.
D for?
Doll.
Doll. D for? Doll. D for?
Dolphin.
Not D. It's a dolphin. D for
Dolphin.
this.
This.
D for dish. D for
ENT.
duck. D for
ENT.
dog. Dog. D for dice. D for
ENT.
donkey. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for dish. D for duck. Now everyone take a slate. Take a slate and write down the D. Write down the D letter. How to write D? One standing line, one curved line. Everyone write down the D in the slate itself. Everyone write the D. One standing line,
No.
one curved line.
Bruno.
One standing line, one curved line.
Ma'am, she's supposed to write without dots, right?
Yeah, without dot.
Without dots, Topper.
Right, first draw one standing line like this. Everyone draw one standing line. First everyone draw one standing line. Like this, everyone draw one standing line and show me. Yeah. Now everyone draw a standing line, not D. Everyone first draw one standing line. First draw a standing line, draw. One standing line. Standing line. Standing line. First you show me standing line, everyone. Yes. Very good. Now everyone do a curve. One curve line. 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 Draw everyone curve line. Yes. Now together. One standing line. One curve line. One standing line. One curve line. Together. Now you have to write together. Show me, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Now, what do you have to do at home? Make a D. Everyone draw a D, big D. You have to paste what material you have at your home. Very good, very nice, lovely. Everyone, keep it up. A big rocket clap for everyone. Yay! Shh, 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 shh. Yay! Big rocket clap for everyone. Make a big D. Paste some material in the big D. Okay? And send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay? Okay, kids? Now it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye, చెప్పండి మేడం.
Bye, kids. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye. Bye.